Hello friends, today again your friend Harish with you. Today I'm really very happy and excited to share this video with you guys because like leopard, tiger also does, but I'm talking about leopard. Leopard kills any animal for eating and eat little, but rest of the meat or whatever they takes in a tree, and as much as possible they take some and keep there to protect from the other other animals they should not eat actually. So this moment I was waiting last several years actually. I saw several times leopards are killing, they are keeping in a little bit place, and that okay, then you have to move because they'll be sit here permanently, they'll not move. But this video I was so happy. Its video took two days actually to complete, since morning till night. Another morning again we started by early morning until evening we were there. So on that moment the best part is the leopard kills and keep on the tree. So we saw that part when he was keeping on the tree. After that he was sitting there, and 2 days we were just chasing it. So finally what happened is, the moment which I was looking for last long, the moment was that other animals are coming trying to eat that, and he was fighting with them. He doesn't want them to eat actually. So that moment I was waiting, and I captured that moment here. So it is sitting there and its stomach is full, but even though he want to finish it by himself, like I'll eat, nobody will eat it, like that. So it's coming down from the tree, moving here and there. Some other leopards are coming, some other animals are coming to eat. They were fighting with them, again going to the tree and sitting over there. So friends, I hope you will like this video, and please see this video and you will enjoy. Take care. Bye. Guys, you can see she's breathless because she's running here and there, coming down from the tree several times. And now you can see she's watching 360 degree everywhere. So other animals are there surrounding, so she's like watching somebody should not take her food. It is really marvelous moment which I'm enjoying that moment. And you can see here her stomach is totally full, you can see, but even though she's just trying to eat full because some other people should not take. Wow. Great. She's really not hungry, but even though she wants to finish total, there's the moment, this is called nature. See, you can see she's not hungry at all, but even though she's trying to eat, and then she said, oh yeah, my stomach is full, take it. But she's watching everywhere, here and there. She's so tired actually. But since yesterday we were watching her. And yesterday even that kills has little, that portion now, that portion also has gone. See, she's again too much breathless. It's a nice moment. Now she's going down, she must have seen something. Something she has seen. See, now she's staring. Yeah, she came down. She's running here and there, to save her food. This is nature. Now she's again coming back to the cliff. I really like this moment. She's keep on coming, going. I think she saw again something. Yeah, the leopard's coming. Wow. Oh, wow, at that moment actually. She came back again. You can see she's breathless because she's like saving her food. She's trying her best not to give for food to anyone. Wow.